trading. This is for those who reply my email. Just reply my email. I didn't ask for any payment. So I tell them, Pharma Niaga, RM2 to RM2.15, you can buy at this area. So the potential profit is minimum 10% and can get up to 100%. What happened? During that time, it was Friday, 22nd March, somewhere around here. I did tell them, price now is RM2.37. Don't buy yet. You buy this area, RM2 to RM2.15. So you see, the price, March. The price goes down, RM2.15, RM2, then it goes up. At this point, the price is RM2, cannot see, RM2, how much? Two something, is it? This is old screenshot. I just checked the latest close of this counter. It's RM2.46. From RM2, now RM2.46. That's already 20%. Within 2 weeks, I think. 2 weeks. Tak lama. And this is saham. Bukan forex. Forex laju. Forex fast and furious. Saham so slow and steady. But you still can make a lot of profit from stock trading. So maybe those who get my email, maybe now are smiling. Maybe, yeah. Because I don't know how many are actually buying. So I still believe it will go up further than that. And I even took the trouble to explain. See, rajin lah. Free lah, free. Kalau you bayar, wah, lagi I rajin. Betul. This is my stock holding, my own personal. RM68, RM10, RM101, RM64, RM13, RM11, RM57, okey tak? Okey. Ha? Okey tak? Malu lah bang. Best trading guru, profit RM100, malu lah. This is percentage, not ringgit percentage. That one I'm just kidding with you. I never show people what stocks I buy. So, special for you guys. Once a year, Traders Fair, I show you. These are the stocks I'm currently holding. Armada, Binapuri, MyEG, Petron, Post, Sapura, WCT. 7 counter. How many loss? 0. All profit. All profit, 68%. 10%, 101%, 0.64%, 13%, 11%, 57%. Who said you need to trade forex to make a lot of money? You still can make it through Bursa Malaysia. Question, is it?
Yeah, what about the other 11 months?
Yeah?
The other 11 months?
11 months?
That's 1 month.
No, not 1 month. But is the longest one since December last year. So 4-5 months like that. The latest one I bought is Petron. But Petron, because of the price, so it will move a bit slower. If you buy below RM1 stock, then it will move faster. But anyway, that's for me.